What's up, guys? I'm going to give you all an overview of my car. For those of you that don't know, this is a 2013 Infiniti G37S with the 6-speed manual. So I'm going to give you the exterior, interior, and performance mods that have been done to it so far. And today's date is October 19th, 2021. So first of all, I'm lowered on the Tein Street Basis Z coilovers. They are not maxed out. I can go lower if I want to, but this is a good ride height for me. The wheels are 19 by 10 plus 18 offset Enkei PF07s. The tires are 255/35 in the front and 265/35 in the back. And I'm rocking -3 degrees of camber in the back and about -2.8 in the front. The fronts don't have anything aftermarket when it comes to control arms or anything like that. It's all stock. And the backs, it has the SPC rear camber and toe bolts. Headlights, I guess that's next. These are the OEM factory headlights. I just blacked them out, added a halo, and then changed the shroud to the Porsche Panamera shroud with the 4 little LED dots in there. The fog lights are Morimoto XB, and I've been having an issue with moisture getting in them, so don't know how I feel about that. Calipers and rotors. The rotors are just drilled and slotted, and then the calipers have been painted yellow with the G2 paint caliper kit. And I also got those decals on eBay. I have the carbon fiber mirror replacements. I got those from Jalisco's Carbon Fiber, but you can find them on Alibaba for cheaper. Window tint, I'm rocking 5% all around and double 35% on the windshield. The roof has been wrapped gloss black and ivory. And then I have a rear window spoiler that I got from eBay. Going to the back of the car. It's been debadged somewhat. The Infiniti wording is gone. The diffuser is wrapped in gloss matte black, I believe. Interior now, I'll show you guys. It's dirty, first of all, but the door trim over there has been wrapped in like a brushed black color. Matches the interior pretty nicely. Also have LEDs up there. And then the OEM accent lighting from Infiniti down there. The floor mats are filthy, but these are WeatherTech. I got these locally from a lady for about 30 bucks, I believe, both sides. Next, I guess we'll get into the performance. I would start it up, but you know how these sound with the exhaust and stuff on it. If not, I can do another video. These are the Stillen Gen 3 intakes. Long tubes, so they go behind the grill. I have the C-Works Designs ART pipes, test pipes, ISR Y pipe, which then follows to the ISR single exit. And I'm tuned by Martin at RS Infiniti. I think that's how you say it, on 93. I made 318 to the wheels and then 260 pound-feet of torque. That was on a dual exhaust. And I have plans on going back to him at the end of this month to get tuned on E85. So we've already done the fuel pump. It's a AEM 340, I believe. And I have the bigger injectors at the house. We'll slap in before we go down there. I'll turn all the lights on just to show you guys that. Every light in this car has been converted to LED. No light has been left untouched. It's just something I do to both of my cars. So really all of my cars. I just like the look of them. So of course you got the white LEDs on the license plate. You got the white LEDs right there. So that's factory. And then I have the Infiniti door logo lights. And then the headlights and fog lights. As you can see, they match really well when it comes to color. But the moisture in the fog lights it just bothers me. So I don't know if you can kind of see it in there. But yeah, this is the car as of right now. If you have any questions or anything, just feel free to comment. You can ask me on Instagram if you want to. And thanks for watching.